Stone Cold Melton, son of Carpenter Mary. That's me. Dad Carpenter worked on skyscrapers. Mom Mary Ann. My daily parable bites. I get to make parables. I'm the son of Carpenter Mary. For the past week or so, on youtube.com/DNFD series. And yes, you can also find 2018 joined playlist. Taking the stigmata eyes out of these and the Mormon parables about that dangerous cult. And Parable Bites joined us a monthly. That's what comes out of all of these. So you get what you're looking for. Check it out. youtube.com/DNFD series. There's the big link. And yeah, you can also find what you can find there. 27,000 graphic art photos. Follow the links on my YouTubes and print me up. Like you print out your family's photos. Gotta be a 4x6. I'll keep you company on that desk, on that nightstand, on that tabletop. You're gonna find something you like in 27,000. I'm Melton. Yes, son of Carpenter Mary. Daddy Carpenter worked on skyscrapers. Mom Mary Ann. Guy with the stigmata eyes. I'm the son of Carpenter Mary. I get to tell parables and yeah, I get to do a little genetic carpentry. Check that out in Stigmata Eyes. And I get to tell you truth about your hijack lifeline. Not 1-911 Flight 93 check. And over a decade of ASCII. 424-229-4140. Make a video, whatever you get when you don't get me. Be the reporter. They're not doing their jobs. Those hijacking your calls to me are worried enough about their crimes, getting caught for them, that they are altering phone records covered up. When you make a video of whoever's in the room there with you, their lifeline not working. 424-229-4140, and you don't know when else it won't be allowed to work. You got the timestamp on your phone, you got the number dialed. You got Hussein's and Trump's phone gate. Get that on video. And yes, this is youtube.com/DNFD series. Keeping up at least till February of my join dailies. It's not every day. It's about a week or 9 days worth. And these are the joined videos of my eyes for the months of last month, and I'm just started months of last year, and I've just started putting the January 2019 joined on the NFT series. Got other places to put it, other YouTubes. Try to call me 424-229-4140. Make a video of your hijack call to me. 424-229-4140. Certify your mail. Semper certify that mail. 4260 Eagle Rock Boulevard, Apartment 409, Los Angeles, California 90065. John Melton Brady's the full name. Melton. Make that video of the mail first. It's going to be stolen. And you got Hussein's and Trump's and the Mormons. Phone gate on video. Post. I'm Melton. John Melton Brady. And these are my daily parable videos joined into one big one. A lot of minute ones joined into that larger one. And yes, I'm the son of a carpenter and Mary. Dad a carpenter, worked on skyscrapers. Mom Mary Ann. I'm the son of a carpenter and Mary. I get to make parables. And this is from January. All the links on youtube.com/DNFD series. Check them out. And of course the joined for the months. 93 checks, tabletop art, Parable Bites is also there as well. Check them out.